This video shows how to install the Minoston Smart Wi-Fi dimmer switch, model MS10W. Note that this product is for indoor use only and requires 120 volts AC or 60 Hz. For network connection, you want to make sure that you have 2.4 GHz wireless frequency. The product contains one switch, one wire, 2 screws, and a faceplate. The additional tool that you need is a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. Before you start, make sure to turn off the breaker. The first step is to remove the wall plate. After that, we are going to remove the switch mounting screws. The third step is to label the wires and disconnect them from the switch. In general, black lines are the hot lines, whites are neutral, and green or bare is ground. Now we are going to take out the Minoston Smart Wi-Fi dimmer switch and unscrew the screws on the side, but not completely off. Follow the diagram and insert each wire into the correct spot. After inserting the wire into the dimmer switch, we are going to tighten the screw. On the other side, it is the neutral lines. We're going to do the same with the ground line. After all the lines are connected with the dimmer switch, we are going to screw the outlet into the outlet box. At last, we are going to screw the faceplate on. The dimmer switch is officially installed. Next, we are going to connect the device with Wi-Fi. First of all, download the Smart Life app on Google Play or Apple Store. After the download is complete, it will lead you to the screen. You want to hit Add Device in the center of the app when the dimmer switch icon pops up. Hit Go to Add on the upper right corner Tap the plus button and it will lead you to the screen on Connect Your Wi-Fi Network. At this time, go to your dimmer switch and hold the down button more than 10 seconds until the bulb flashes blue, indicating to initiate app configured mode. Make sure that the phone or tablet you're using is connected to the same network as the one you are about to enter. After successfully adding the device into the Smart Life app, you will be able to adjust the brightness and also schedule a certain time when you want your lights on.